Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the fuse for your interior lights. The other day I changed my light bulbs and now none of the lights are actually responding. Even the trunk lights are not working. So if one of your light bulb is not working, that's most likely means that the light bulb needs to be replaced. But if none of them are responding, that means the fuse is bad. So if you guys come to the front of the car on the driver's side, there's a fuse box, and then if you open it by pushing these two tabs in, lift it open, there's actually a guide right here that tells you where everything is. So if you, there's a tool, removal tool also. So for interior lights, it's going to be number 28. It's a 7.5 amp fuse. So if you go right here, and so if you can't tell where number 28 is, you just look at the fuse. Next to it, it's a 10 amp and a 20 amp, and then in the middle is a 7.5. So if you come here, there's a 10, a 20, and a 7.5. So what you do is you push this removal tool just on top of the fuse, pull it out, and there it is. My fuse is blown. I'm gonna pull out another one just to show you guys. So you just put it on one side, put it on the other, grab it, and then there. So what you're gonna look for is, you see how the fuse, the metal part of in the fuse is actually connected here. It's blown. Luckily in a Honda, this is a 2014 Honda Civic, there's some spare fuses right here. So my 7.5 is blown, so if I can use that right there to replace it, and I'll just stick it back in. So if you are sticking it back in, put it back on the tool. All you have to do is go in there, and twist the tool, and there it is. So I'm gonna need my other hand to put the get that 7.5 off of there, and so it's actually number 28, but it's the second one from the bottom. If you look at the fuse box right here, because that's what the guide says, interior lights number 28. Alright, so I actually had to use the tool to get that out of there too. You can't just pull it out with your hands. So if you set the tool on there, just level it, push down, then take it off, and just push it with your hands to make sure it's in there. Alright, so I'm gonna go look to see if my lights are working. So the fuse was actually blown in my car. Oh look, the lights is already on. So is the middle light. And there you go, all the lights are working. Thank you, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So once you make sure the lights are working inside, just come back here, put the tool removal back in, and just let the box sit on there. Push it in firmly, and there's two clicks, one on that side, one on that side, and that's it. Thank you.